Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Shoppers Club. My name is Kelly. For those of you who don't know, I am a fashion reseller. I sell used clothes on Poshmark, on eBay, on Mercari, and today I'm coming at you guys with a haul video, my favorite types of videos. I sourced these items actually from Poshmark. I also ordered a mystery box. It was like I wasn't really trying to exactly shop. I mean, I was browsing, which is what I always do, and adding the items to my bundle, and one thing led to another. She sent me a super cheap offer on all these items, and I just ended up accepting it, and here we are. So let's just get into it. A lot of these items that you're gonna see, probably all the items you're gonna see, are going to be sent to ThredUp. Now the items in the mystery box, I'm not 100% sure of. I have to definitely take a look at those, but the items that weren't a part of the mystery box, I'm definitely gonna be sending to ThredUp, so I'm excited about that. Let's get into the haul. Okay, this is the box. I just opened it up, so let's see what we have. Okay, very nicely wrapped. I'll just show you guys this. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so first little bag we got here. Okay, this must be the like mystery box that she had. So the first thing we have is this Maybell top, and this is so cute. It has these butterflies. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's new with tags, and it's a size large, so great size. So I'm sure this will do well. Probably around $25 for this, if I had to guesstimate what I get for that. This next item is by BCBG. So this is an item that I believe I specifically sourced to send in to ThredUp. So it's just this like zigzag print, like short dress. Now, when I was ordering the bundle and I had this in my bundle, I actually didn't really mean to order this BCBG generation dress, just because this particular brand doesn't do very well on ThredUp. The Max Azria brand does better. So, but that's okay. That's okay. Next item is another BCBG generation, and this is a size medium. So this is like a very cute, like seafoam green top. It's really pretty. It's very pretty actually. And it has this like clasp, like detail in the back. So that's really cute. I'd probably say like $15 for this, or I might end up sending it to ThredUp, not even deal with like listing or anything. But if I was listing it on my own, I'm thinking like 10 to 15 bucks for it. Next item, this is by Bowden. So this is a size 2, and it's just this pretty pink like tunic top. I thought this detail right here was really pretty. And again, this is another item that if I decide to list it, I'm probably going to end up listing it for like anywhere from like $30 to $35 for this. So this is pretty. Okay, let's see, what do we have next? So this next top is by Deletta. Here is the tag. So Deletta is a brand that is sold at Anthropologie. It's not a brand that I usually pick up. It depends on the style for me. But this is a really cute style. It's a size medium. So I'm thinking another like $20 to $25 sale This is by a brand called Wilster. So it is this pretty embroidered dress. So this like flower embroidery that's really pretty. Doesn't have anything on the back. So flower embroidery, again, really pretty. And it is new at tags. It retailed for $256 from Neiman Marcus. A brand that when I was looking on ThredUp looking on ThredUp on the payout calculator, this looked like it would give me a good payout. I will try to insert some of those payouts for ThredUp for what I think I'm gonna get for some of these items on the screen below. Let's see. And then the last item in this bag is this Trina Turk blouse. So Trina Turk is another great brand to send to ThredUp. And let's see, what material is this? It's polyester, okay. And it does have the star on it, so that's cool, that's good. So yeah, Trina Turk, pretty blouse. And yeah, okay, so that was great. Second bag. This is definitely the bag with like the mystery box items. So this first top is by Poshmark. And Poshmark is sold at Anthropologie, and this is a brand I will typically, yes, I'll pick up depending on the style. So it's just a cute button down chambray top. It has these kind of like lace like sleeves, so this is cute. I probably would expect like another anywhere from $15 to $25 for this. Okay, what is this? So it's another BCBG dress, and I got this because I thought this was really pretty. I really liked this color. It's like a, what is it, a tunic? I mean, no, it's a mini dress. It's a mini dress. So I thought this was pretty with this wrap detail that's in the front, and it's BCBG Generation again, and it's a size medium. The next item is by 3.1 Philip Lim. So here we go. Here's the tag. So this is a expensive designer brand, which is why I ended up picking it up. So the front isn't that exciting, but I thought the back was cute. I thought the back was really cute. Great brand. This next item is another expensive designer brand. It is Vivian Tan, size medium. So it is just this black dress. It has a very low V-neck, and then it has this belt detail at the waist and these sheer sleeves. So this is pretty. This is really actually pretty. So excited to get that sent in. Okay, dress. Pretty dress. This dress is by BCBG Max Azria. So this is that brand that, again, is another item that another brand that I have sold on ThredUp for a decent payout. I think the last item I got like a $20 payout. So obviously I'm getting it from the bins. It's super cheap. It doesn't weigh too much. So really good payout. Pick this up. I think this is pretty. I think this will do well. Really pretty color. I love this like layered detail right here. It's a very unique style, so I think it'll do well. So that is it. Thank you guys for checking out my haul with me. So again, a lot of these items I'm probably just gonna send them to ThredUp. I might end up sending just all the items to ThredUp. I might look up the comps on Tradesy. Tradesy is another platform I will sell designer items for that have had some success selling items on. I don't list a ton on Tradesy, but I do list items on Tradesy. I have had a couple of sales, so we'll see. So yeah, thank you guys for checking out my haul. I'm gonna give you just an update on this whole ThredUp situation and my whole process and what I'm doing. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, turn on those notifications so you know when I post my next video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.